In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create or join clubs here on chess.com on both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're on PC or mobile and you want to join a club, what you're going to want to do is look on this left-hand sidebar from the main menu and find the More tab right here and scroll down to you see this community tab just like so. Once you're in this community tab, go ahead and select clubs. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this where you're going to want to go ahead and hit OK. And then once you are on this tab right here, what you're going to want to do is just look on this right hand side over here where you're going to see a bunch of different clubs. For example, if you want to create a club, go ahead and select create a club. It'll redirect you to a page that looks like this where you can go ahead and create a club. Or if you want to join a club, you can back out. And then of course you could go to any of these options like find clubs and then search for something like this and join any of them. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can create or join clubs here in chess.com, whether you're on PC or mobile. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.